Hi, I am Lauren Burke. I grew up in upstate New York, a little town called Corning. Our claim to fame is glass. Anything glass. We have a major glass museum. Corning Incorporated has created Gorilla Glass on iPhones and Pyrex dishware. Anything glass, you name it, we got it. I currently live in Charleston, South Carolina. How I got down here was 2 years ago now, after graduating college in 2020. I did not want to live with my parents anymore in New York, so I moved in with my sister in South Carolina, and that is where I currently live. I work in a primary and urgent care in downtown Charleston. There I am triaging patients, helping mid-level providers and our supervising physician with any procedures or injections. I draw blood. It's very versatile. In my free time, I like to go to the beach, go to the pool that I have at my apartment. I love to be outside. I like to watch thunderstorms because we always get an afternoon thunderstorm in the southeast here. And I like to work out to relieve some stress. I am currently taking this course to learn deeper about the body systems and how the body functions as a whole in very little time. I really like the fact that we have already learned about something that happens so quickly every day that we don't even realize it happens. And I really like the fact that we're learning about it as it's a process, but it happens in less than a second. That to me is very amazing, and our body, I think, is very amazing. And I'm also taking this as a prerequisite for PA school, which I am in the middle of applying. So, fingers crossed for that. Thank you, and I look forward to this class.